Now, we designed Mac Studio together with the Studio Display to complete the ultimate studio experience. And to tell you more, here's Nicole.
They're not gonna do a combo.
Is in a class of its own.
You gotta
along
put
with
both
a
in the
gorgeous
cart.
screen. It's loaded with
Combo pack?
incredible
I want a
features
combo
that no other desktop
with some
display
French fries.
can deliver. And it provides that integrated experience Mac users love. Let's start with the design. Studio Display has an all-screen design with narrow borders. Its all-aluminum enclosure houses an advanced set of features in a slim profile. And the stand allows you to tilt the display up to 30 degrees. To customize Studio Display for your workspace, you can also choose a tilt and height adjustable stand option, which has a counterbalancing arm.
Isn't that stand
makes the
$1,000?
display
I was gonna
feel
say that.
Oh, yeah.
There's also
Oh,
a
God.
VESA adapter option that lets you mount the display in landscape or portrait orientation. Studio Display features an expansive screen that has a 27-inch active area with a total of 14.7 million pixels at 218 pixels per inch, making it a 5K Retina display.
Oh, okay.
And with 600 nits of brightness, P3 wide color, and support for over 1 billion colors, it brings images to life with
pretty
spectacular
cool.
detail. It also has True Tone for a more natural viewing experience, plus an industry-leading anti-reflective coating for better comfort and readability. And for studios with bright light sources, there's an innovative nano texture glass option that scatters light to further
That's
minimize
matte
glare
finish.
while delivering
They had the same
outstanding image
options
quality.
for the Pro Display.
Another thing that makes Studio Display unique is the fact that it actually has an A13 Bionic chip inside.
Of course
which
it does.
enables it to deliver amazing experiences with the highly advanced camera and audio system. There's a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is the same sensational camera that's been a huge hit on iPad. And powered by the incredible technology
If I've
in Apple Silicon,
ever heard anyone
it
refer to it as
supports Center
sensational.
Stage, which comes to the Mac for the very first time. So video calls are so much more engaging. And to make this the ultimate video conferencing display, it also includes an array of studio quality mics. They have an especially low noise floor for crystal clear calls. Studio Display also features a high-fidelity 6-speaker sound system that delivers an unbelievable listening experience. It has 4 force-canceling
Apple's
woofers
like, let's go
that
get this
minimize
money.
Distortion and produce
Let's go
bold,
get this money.
articulate
That's what this
bass.
soundtrack is called.
And 2 high-performance
Let's go
tweeters
get this.
that create accurate mids and crisp highs.
People are
And
buying.
because Apple Silicon can process multi-channel surround sound, the speakers also support spatial audio for music and video with Dolby Atmos.
It's too much. Jack's
Okay.
flustered.
We get it. It's cool.
Jack's getting flustered over there.
It's
really cool.
These are by far the highest fidelity speakers.
Stop selling it to me.
ever
I know.
created for the Mac.
But they don't talk about the price, though.
This is the best
Give me the price.
combination
No.
of camera and audio ever in a desktop display.
Man, it's quite an onslaught, isn't
Let's
it?
talk
Yeah,
about
by the
how
end of it, you're
Studio
just, like,
Display
giving them your
connects
credit
with your
card.
other devices.
Take it.
It has
Enough.
3 USB-C ports that deliver speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. So you can connect
Oh,
peripherals,
the music went
storage,
calm again.
and networking right into the display. And there's a
about
Thunderbolt
ports.
port, which allows you to connect
Hmm.
Studio Display and any
Just
plug-in
one
peripherals
Thunderbolt.
to your Mac
Yeah.
with a single cable. That same cable delivers 96 watts of power, which allows you to charge any Mac notebook. And it can even fast charge a 14-inch MacBook Pro. And you can connect up to 3 Studio
Yeah,
displays
I like the
to
display.
your MacBook Pro,
It's
creating an incredible edit bay or 3D animation studio.
charge your laptop, extend your desktop.
Finally, to complete your setup, we've added a new
5K.
silver and black color option to the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID, the Magic Trackpad, and the Magic
Oh,
Mouse,
I need to-
which beautifully
I need the
complement
keyboard, but I don't need the
design
number
of the
pad.
display. Studio Display has also been designed to minimize its environmental impact. It uses 100% recycled.
They gotta tell
rare
us
earth
about the
elements
environment
in
on
all
every
magnets,
single item.
and
It's like,
is-
why don't you just say, okay, environment, all of them. Every item, environment. Like, we got it. It's the exact same slide every time. Go ahead, Will.
No other display has this unique offering of 5K retina
But
resolution.
spend
an
20
advanced
grand,
camera with
save
sensor
the
stage
world!
and incredibly high fidelity audio. All in a
They
refined
just say
aluminum
environment.
design.
Environment.
And it's a great
Subliminal.
display to
Do you
pair
care about
with
the world?
any Mac.
You need to
like
buy more
MacBook
things to
Pro,
save the world.
MacBook Air, Mac Mini, and of course, Mac Studio. Now, before I hand it back to John, let's take a look
Are you
at
gonna
Mac
explode?
Studio and Studio Display
No, I'm good.
in
Okay.
action.
Okay.
They still didn't tell us the price. They're not pumped enough. Is that Billie Eilish?
No.
Looked like her from behind.
Yeah.
Similar like outfit.
What's happening?
She's gonna explore the supercharged M1 Max
Wow.
because it's like a city in there, including the Ultra. One shoe.
One shoe.
Right, she's gonna imagine all the things she can make once she owns this.
Didn't they go
But
over
she's
all
trapped
this?
in here.
Well, they didn't go over it, Jack. You're not convinced yet. It's pretty cool. No, I mean,
yeah,
try
yeah.
to make this, man.
For
Try
sure.
to try to make that. This guy's gonna use every single port.
He's so productive.
Yeah.
No port is free. Oh, she's trapped in his computer.
Yeah.
Damn, that's rough.
It's the start of a love story.
Everybody always has like the nice lamps going on. I wonder if it has face unlock. Why don't they put face unlock on that? No, it doesn't, because Face ID for them have to have all the sensors and everything. I guess you just do Touch ID on the keyboard. Fine. Does she live in there forever now? Who rescues her?
Someone
from
has
the,
to rescue her.
She just got blown away. She just got. Oh my! She's going into the fan.
No. Oh, okay. Thank God.
She was making a
It was a
sneaker.
dream.
She has one.
Price.
Studio Display. With incredible performance,
Environment.
extensive connectivity, and a modular design, Mac Studio with M1 Max starts at $19.99.
Yes,
Mac Studio
okay,
with M1
Max.
Ultra starts at $39.99.
$4,000. Okay, I said
No
five
other desktop
because
in
I
the
was
world
thinking in
can offer
Canadian
this level
terms.
of performance and capability.
They're going
at
to
this
sell a ton of
price.
those things, man.
And the
That's not
Studio
that bad.
Display with its awesome set of
For what
features is $15.99.
you don't need any more Pro
and it can
Mac
be
Pros
configured
anymore.
with nano texture glass and a choice
I'm
of
sure
shade
you can.
options.
Did he
max
say the
it out.
price on the
You can
monitor?
order
It was-
both
what was it,
products today,
1,500?
and they'll be available on March 18th.
What?
Today we built upon the
$15.99
amazing
Yeah, that's
capabilities
expensive.
of M1 Max
for the
with
monitor?
the introduction
Oh,
of
good
M1 Ultra.
lord!
With its Ultra Fusion architecture,
What if you got it without
powerful
the stand,
CPU,
though?
massive GPU, and staggering
I guess
memory
they set the
bandwidth,
standard
it's
with the
the
Pro
next
display
giant
and
leap
then-
for Apple Silicon. And we introduced Mac Studio, which was designed to put all this groundbreaking performance right on your desk. Together with the Studio Display, these products will empower users to create the studios of their dreams and to continue to change the world. And they joined the rest of our incredible Mac lineup with Apple Silicon, making our transition nearly complete
Oh.
with just one more product to go, Mac Pro. But that is for another day.
Oh.
Now back to Tim.
We've
What
had
do
an
you
extraordinary
do with
Another
Mac
day?
Pro?
the world's
That
creative
was different
community,
than one
and
more
the Mac
thing.
has
He's
been
like, one more
such an
thing,
important
but
tool
later.
for
But
these
later.
users.
Yeah.
We're excited to bring them an entirely new system, Mac Studio and Studio Display, and to see all of the amazing things they will do with it. It's remarkable to think about the profound impact Apple Silicon is having on the Mac and our other products. The A15 Bionic drives the most powerful phones in the world, iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro. And today we introduced two striking new green finishes. The new iPhone SE, our most affordable iPhone, is also now powered by the incredible A15 Bionic chip. The new iPad Air takes a big leap with the M1 chip, as well as 5G, center stage, and beautiful new finishes. It's truly remarkable what Apple Silicon makes possible. It
When he
delivers
walks like this
industry-leading
sideways.
performance,
Like Mr.
technology,
Burns?
Yeah.
and advancements. And the
Makes me wanna
seamless
sit up
integration
straighter when I
of
say
hardware and software enables us to provide experiences that no one else can. We look forward to seeing what our users will do with all of these incredible products and the impact they will have on people's lives. Thank you again for joining us.
No
Have
Ukraine.
a great day.
No, Ukraine, you all lose. All you got was a yellow watch band. That was the closest you got.